everyone. In today's video I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my summer Fab Fit Fun box, which arrived yesterday. I am also going to show you, I bought a couple of extras this time. I haven't done that before. Historically, when I've got the box, I've just got the box, but this time I bought a few little extras. So I'm going to show you the extras, then I'm going to show you the box. So one of the extras was this bling brush on the go jewellery cleaner from Borborella, which is a really unpleasant word to say. So it doesn't roll off the tongue. Borborella. This is just like a jewellery cleaner pen. I also got this, which I'm really excited about. This is the gyeom Relax Cold Therapy Massage Roller, and it's like a rolly ball thing that's in like a handle, and I think you probably, I mean it feels cold to the touch already, but I'm going to guess that you put it in the fridge just to cool it down. I don't know, we shall see, but I got one of those. And then I decided that I would get, put that down so it isn't scrunching, I decided I would get a mystery pack. They also, as well as having stuff that you can choose as add-ons for your box, they do mystery packs as well. So I decided that I would get a mystery pack, in which there is a bunch of stuff I don't really need. We have a Vicks Paula Hermani 59-inch towel, which is like a, it has a pattern on it, so I'm going to open it. It feels like a beach towel, you know, that kind of thing. Let's do this, throw that out the way. Oh yeah, it has like a mandala, you know, that kind of thing. That'll be a useful gym towel. And then the other things are, oh cute, okay, I got, this is a 2 bandits. I'm going to guess it's a necklace with like a, oh that's really reflecty, with like a opaly little band there. It doesn't say what it's made of. Plated, so it's going to be silver plate, but the bar's quite cute. There was a Style Fox Super Green Skin Detox Mask, which I think might be a, it feels like it might be a sheet mask, but I don't know. No, it's powder. Oh, okay. So it's a powder that I guess you, oh, and the packaging here is sealable. So, oh, that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. That's Style Fox Beauty Super Green Skin Detox Mask. And then the other thing is this. And this is, oh cute, oh I love this stuff. This is 2 pouches from a company called My Tagalongs, and they are, oh look at that, it has a bunch of pockets. It's a cable pouch, so it has like a bunch of different, you know, different pockets and stuff, and it velcros closed. And then there's this mini one for headphones. So, oh, this also has, not that this is relevant for me because I use AirPods, but it even has a little thing that you can wind the cord around. That's so smart. So I don't remember how much the jewellery cleaner and the massage roller were, but the extra box of stuff, so the towel, the mask, and these 2 things and the necklace were $29, and I'm pretty happy with that for like a mystery bag of $29. I think that was pretty good. So now on to the big box. Let's grab some scissors here. Now obviously if you're familiar with FabFitFun, you'll know that you, depending on the type of membership you have with them, you can select some of the items that are in the box. So I've chosen some of these, and then I think some of them are mystery, but I think I chose everything. So cute packaging on the inside of this box. I love that pattern. Okay, so, oh it's exciting. These are the most fun subscription boxes I get. I get a couple. I've just re-signed up for Look Fantastic and for Birchbox as well, just because I fancied re-signing back up. And I just, this just, I don't know, this always feels like really good value. So, first item, this is something I chose. This is the Yumi Kim Wireless Charging Pad. And it has like a USB charging thingy with it. I'm trying to be really careful. Oh no, there we go, I've lost another nail. I'm wearing press-on nails at the moment, and obviously because we're in lockdown so I can't go and get my nails done, and these just, they're not staying, so I'm half nailed. So this is the charging pad. Oh, it's so pretty. This was a thing I chose. So it's a charging pad with like a floral pattern. Comes with a USB, and so I think my plan for that is probably when I get to go back to the office, I'm going to put that on my desk at work, because I think that would just be easier, and I can just dump my phone on it, because I don't really need it at home because I have cables everywhere, but I think that would be good at work. Next item was another thing, I'm pretty sure another thing that I chose, and that is, this is a Michael Kors monogram passport holder. I don't have a passport holder. I do have a passport, though as of right now I'm looking over there because it's like, is it over there? I do have a passport, I just don't know where it is. I don't use it that often, I don't travel that often. I hate to fly, so leaving the country is never the most fun thing for me to do because planes, but I have a passport. I now have a passport holder, and I'm a Michael Kors fan generally. You've seen from bag hauls and stuff. I like the the price point and quality is a good match for me. So this was also something I chose. Next up, I don't remember anything else here of it being things that I chose. Or maybe I chose this. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturising Cream, which is something that this has been around for a long time and people say really, really good things about, and I've never tried it. So this is a 50ml, so it's a decent size. It says on the back, growing up with eczema, my mum would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. Soothes and moisturises. So I'm excited to try that because, like I said, it's been around forever. People say really good things, so we'll see. Next up, I feel like I might have chosen this as well. Maybe you get to choose lots more than I realised. It's been a while, like it's been 6 weeks or so and I've just forgotten. This is the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. The last thing in the whole world I needed is another hair product because I have so many at this point, but it was an option, and I've had other things from Amika before. I think I've had the dry shampoo, which is very, very good, and I've also had, it was like a heat protectant spray that I've had that was also really good. So I decided that I would try this, and this says mist on damp hair, roots to ends, section by section, blow dry. So it's a blow dry spray. Packaging's cute. It's got a spray, you know, a spritzer thing. So we'll see. Next up, Silked Satin Pillow Sleeve. Huh. So this is a satin. Oh, so it's a pillow sleeve, like it says. I don't know if you can see from the picture there, but what happens is you put the, it's a sleeve that goes over the pillow rather than it being a pillowcase. Huh. Our innovative open-ended design fits over most standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases, perfect for home or travel. Cool. I've never tried a satin pillowcase, so I'm excited to see what that does. I know they're supposed to be good for your skin and good for your hair and all of that, so we'll see. Okay, so, oh, 3 things left here, is that right? 3 things? Yeah, okay, so this is the Winky Lux Universal Brow Pencil. Universal shade. I've had a few things from Winky Lux before, and it's okay. I'm not wowed. I've never bought anything, but I've had stuff in, you know, in boxes and whatnot. So it's, oh, okay, universal. That's probably going to be too dark for me, I would say. But we will give it a try. So it's got a spoolie on one end and a pencil. Where can I line that up there? Right on my forehead. There, like that. Pencil on the other end. I have a feeling it's going to be too dark, but we shall see. Packaging's cute. Shiny gold is cute. Next up, we have the Spongele, because there's an accent on that second E. This is hand cream. Coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil and argan oil. It's hand cream. I'm not sure there's much else I can say. It's sealed, which is always nice. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells really good. Really good. Obviously hand cream is in high demand at the moment just because everybody is washing their hands so much, and oh yeah, that smells really good. Yum. Okay, we'll see how that is. It feels quite heavy, so it's possible that that might be a good, like an overnight one, or one where you don't need to then immediately do some stuff. This is that. And then the last thing is Taroko foot cream, Sicilian blood oranges. This is Taroko, meaning beautiful in Sicilian dialect, was discovered by my great-grandfather, a guy's name who I can't pronounce, in Francoforte, Sicily. My family uses this wonderful fruit in the same way we use everything from our lands, internally and externally. Thank you for entrusting us with your beauty, warmest thoughts, and arrivederci. Somebody else I can't pronounce. I'm sure they're lovely people. Apply on feet, massage from your heels to your toes, use twice daily. See, it's sealed, which is so nice when stuff is actually sealed properly. I can't tell what it smells like. I love blood orange things, so my odds are good. Oh yeah, yum. Yeah, it smells really good. So a foot cream. So we've kind of got a bit of like a head to toe kind of thing going on with this box, which is actually really nice. I'm always a bit worried with summer boxes that there's going to be like some kind of tanning or something. Like, I'm not a big tanner, so you can see, but there wasn't, so that's really awesome. So I think that's another good box for what it costs. I'll leave a link below. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, I'll leave a link below. You can take a look and see if it's something that you're interested in. The way it works is you can either subscribe like a box at a time, or you can sign up for a year's worth, and then I think if you do that you get early access to picks. Possibly early access to sale stuff as well, I'm not completely sure, but I'll leave a link, there'll be all the info. So that is everything. If you've tried anything from this stash of stuff here, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. The thing I'm probably most excited about was actually that one of the extras, which is this roller thing, is just, yeah, I'm very tense all the time, and so a massage roller is an awesome thing, but you know, I think it's a good box. I'm happy with it. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you and your loved ones are staying safe and well amidst all of the madness that's going on at the moment, and I will be back soon with another video. Take care. Bye.